Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Heartland Rebuilds. It's really late on Thanksgiving morning. Spending a lot of time trying to get this Jeep Liberty taken care of. We had a bunch of parts that showed up in the mail, so we wanted to get those parts on before we had to spend some time with our friends and family. Otherwise, so on the Jeep, we got the header panel in the mail. Got that put on. Let me show you the. So this is a Tong Yang brand thing from over yonder, and so it actually is in decent quality. It went in pretty easily. I mean, I didn't really have any problems with it, surprisingly. So on these Liberties, what I did figure out, unfortunately after the fact, is that you need to install the headlight before the fog light, because the headlight bolt is right here, and the fog light bracket covers that, so you can't get to the headlight bolt. You have to take the fog light out first, which is kind of annoying. Otherwise, header panels put in. I got the hood release cable, which is kind of a pain with the grommet on the firewall, but that's been all replaced, so the hood opens and shuts like it's supposed to. Header panel has been replaced. The bumper cover got put on. I'm having a little bit of an issue with the alignment over here on this fender flare, because the tabs that come out and hold the bumper cover up to the fender flare are broken. They're kind of, and it's also an issue from the wear and grooves and stress marks, I guess, from the bumper cover, where it is trying to kind of push it away from the fender flare. So there's a little bit more of a gap there than I want to. I'm going to have to fix that somewhere else. So otherwise, on the inside, I got the regulator replaced on the driver's door, the regulator replaced on the passenger door, and also the back doors from the last video. So they go up and down just like they're supposed to. However, the mirrors don't work. They're heated, but the motor controls, they don't work. Yeah, sad day. They don't do anything. So that's kind of a wasted money. They work, I guess, in that they show reflection and they might be heated. I haven't put an infrared on that to check to see if they actually work, but they don't move, so they're not going to serve me any functions. So I don't really like them. So I will get another pair of those at some point. But since I'm here, I'll show you guys. So this is the overhead console that kind of came with the vehicle. However, it's got a little minor upgrade. Tire pressure sensors. So this is a 2004 overhead console that I picked up from one of my junkyard trips that I showed on the last video. So this has the overhead console tire pressure sensor pickup in the overhead console. It was only on the 2004, like 99 to 2004 or something like that. And then I need to add the tire pressure sensors for 2004 into the wheels, and then retrain them onto this, and then it'll pick them up. And then I'll have tire pressure sensors kind of like factory. Otherwise, all the other functions work just the same as the other one. I did replacing and swapping over the entire front face of this from the 2007, because it was much cleaner than the 2004 that I took it off the junkyard. It was just a couple screws and swapping it out. And that's pretty much it. That's all I got for you. So if you like the video, let me know. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. Stay tuned for more of these videos. Hopefully I can get something that's a little bit more interesting than a Liberty. And just let me know. So I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.